Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about how to build a self-evolving agent using Obsidian Vault and Hermes. So one of my subscribers or viewers asked me that how to make something like self-evolving. Self-evolving in the sense like it should not do manual job. It should not ask for our instruction. Within just a few instruction, it should update by its own. So whenever there is a new information comes in, it should auto update by its own. Understanding there is a new update came. So we'll just see with Obsidian. I have few files inside. Let's start with that. So these are the files which I already have. It is basically the content based on ML and artificial intelligence. And here, what you see the MD file which has the skills that Hermes should learn and do its task. I mean, the behavior that we are setting it to do. So, what it actually has is what it need to do and where and all it can actually get the information from, and at last how it need to be updated whenever there is a new information comes in. So what you see in this folders have is gaps inside. So you will have like a lot of gaps in the sense it gives a topic and you won't find much information about it, but you will have a context of it for some of the things. So not mostly will have all the information. So what you see here is just a topic. So whenever it needs an information, it has to browse and get back the information. It is not full information if you see. So it is a topic and its context. What it is, what that's all, not in depth. So we're just going to use this folder and make it to think and evolve. Instead of like giving manually step by step approach, we just have this MD files and instruction folder as a input, demo vault, and the skill which Hermes need to know, because Hermes which will learn by itself. We don't have to feed every information to it. If we know that it should gather information through this, it will get to know what it is what and give back the information for us. So this is what Hermes do. That is the only reason I am doing this self-evolving thing with Hermes. So yeah. So this is Hermes, and I just initiated with the Hermes command in terminal. You need to particularly install this agent in your terminal. That would be useful. Or you can have it the terminal in Obsidian Vault. If you want a quick demo on Obsidian, you can have one of my videos which I posted previously. Not previously in the sense like past days. So here is the command that I'm just pasting. Yeah, Hermes skills list and grep vault evolve. Vault evolve is our folder. You just initiate the agent from the folder itself directly. You don't have to give the path every time, or it understands through it. Let's wait. Okay, I included few of the instructions, I mean input to where the skill.md actually relies. I just gave the exact file name. It is in uppercase, I think. So it got confused with skill because Hermes have the keyword skill. So it misunderstood entirely. So let's, yeah. So it started doing this job. So first thing is you need to give the Obsidian Vault path where the folder is actually present. Later you can assign what it need to do, which is your skill.md. I think it finished what we asked for. So I just asked it to make a evolution log. So what this log means is whenever there is a new update, it actually fetch those information and assign in particular row, uh, making sure it is on the right date. So this is the graphical view for the first evolution that had happened for today. So whatever it is there, it kept in. I mean, I asked it to keep it in agent folder, so we can see those. So what we are seeing here is a evolution log for the first evolution. So the information which is available in the synthesis with mentioning date. So we can go through with this thing. So at no dedicated page exists yet. Okay. So yeah, we can feed those information or we can just ask it to do it. Generated by Vault evolve scale cycle 1. So we have this phase 1 and if anything new comes in, it will just update and we can see that in evolution log. Yeah. Okay, so this is a small flow diagram that I made for this automation. So your Hermes agent in here and your Obsidian Vault. So both need to be synced with the cron jobs. So the file fetcher, which will change for every new information it gets, and the commands it need to follow, and cron job in the sense that it will run in backend. So all need to be grouped together, and we just feeding those instruction to Hermes. So it reads the skill and analyze what it need to be filled those gaps and writes back. So this is what the output that we get, that we see in Obsidian Vault. So evaluation log, which will update for every new information that comes in, and you will see the log file with the date. The date format that we mentioned it for. So this is how the cycle works. So this runs throughout. It finds the manual and finds for the instruction or command, and it checks whether it is already there or not, and if it is not, it writes. So that is how. Yeah, now you can see the log have been made, the new instance have generated. So this where I didn't do anything, it is running in backend. This would be like very useful when you are handling emails or any tool or a version update or control that you can use it for. So this is how this automation works, and with the help of Hermes and Obsidian Vault, we can see that clearly. I hope this video finds you well. That's all I have for today. See you all next video. Thanks. Bye.